It's the end of March, March 31st to be exact, and it is time for your March monthly home maintenance checklist. Hey, it's still March. Clean out your pantry and throw out all your expired items. You may even have crackers in there like I do from Christmas. Get them in the trash. Clean your backsplash and clean out and wipe down cabinets, and also pull out appliances and clean under them like your fridge and your range so that you can have everything fresh. Another thing to do in the month of March, this last day of March, is spot clean your furniture. If you have fabric furniture, you can just get a wet cloth or wet wash rag or something and wipe the spots that you see. But if you have leather like I do, just get leather wipes and wipe everything off and make sure it looks good. Another thing to do for March is grab these blankets that you use to cover up with when you watch movies and stuff and throw them in the washing machine. Get them ready for your next sesh. Clean mirrors, lamps, and light bulbs. Vacuum your mattresses. And if you don't have a pillow top, flip it over after you're done. Put out a new spring mat and clean out your flower beds. Last but definitely not least is clean your windows. Some of the newer homes, you have to actually undo the screens from the inside, and you can actually pull the window out a little. Other people's, you'll just be able to pop them right off, and that way you can clean your windows. And if you're about to list your house, leave the screens off because it'll make it look more crystal clear.